Today we're looking at the Entopest Wasp trap. These are the different components that we need. We've got the base here, the yellow section. We've got some green hooks. We've also got the bait that's going to attract the wasps into our trap. So let's see how it goes together. We take the base and use the lugs that are provided on the lid there, marry those up to the sections on the yellow base, just twist and that will hold it nicely together. Now this trap works best when it's hung from a tree or something like that, and the wasps can then freely enter through the hole in the bottom of the base there. Here we see how they would get up into the trap. To attach the green wire, which helps us to hang the trap up, we're going to feed that through the holes at the top there. And once the wasps are inside the trap, they can't escape. So this is what it would look like, and we'll show you a bit later of what it looks like when it's hung up there. So now we're just going to take the lid off the trap, off of the base there, and we'll talk about how we bait it with the wasp bait that's supplied here. This trap works really well at the end of the season when wasps are sweet feeding. So here's the lure, and what we're going to do is just empty this out into the base of the trap here. This will attract the wasps in, and is specifically designed to be attractive to the wasps when they enter this sweet feeding stage. This is the time of the year where the wasps become most troublesome. This is the time of year when the wasps move away from their natural food source of small caterpillars and flies and start to seek out our drinks and food that we might be eating. We dilute this wasp lure down. So one component is the lure, and here I'm just adding another equal component of water. We're going to mix this up in a second here, just with a spoon to make it nice and attractive to the wasps. What we want to try and avoid at this stage is spilling any of this on the outside of the trap or in the area we're going to place the trap, as this might divert the wasps away from our trap. We're going to take the lid and secure that now to the base. Just make sure that's nice and firmly clipped in. And here you can see the green wires here that we're going to suspend it from. If we have a look in this environment here, just feeding the green wires across this branch here enables us to suspend the trap nicely from where wasps can gain access inside of the trap. This is the Entopest Wasp trap.